How do dehumidifiers sense the humidity level in the air and know when to shut off automatically? Not all dehumidifiers shut off automatically. But most do work like this. Ambient air is drawn into a chamber or pipe via a fan. The outside air passes over a sensor in the humidistat, the device that determines whether or not the air exceeds the humidity you've set as your standard. If the air meets with your requirements, the air will pass through. But if the air in the room exceeds your desired humidity level, the air is heated by a hot air dryer before it is sent back into the room. How does the humidistat determine the humidity of the ambient air? At the heart of the humidistat is a sensing element in the shape of an endless belt made from nylon 6. This material has the characteristic of changing length in proportion to the amount of moisture it contains. At higher humidity levels its length expands, and it contracts at lower humidity levels. This change of length is converted into the force required to operate the microswitch and hence the dehumidifier.